Alright boys, we're fucking hitchhiking to Ben's house today.
I'm walking for 3 hours.
Couldn't get the car. Yeah. Couldn't get the car today. So
like, film this road, man.
I don't know where we are yet. I think we're almost there though.
I hope so, man. Famished.
Look at the distance we've already walked, man.
Day 63 of the hike. Food supplies are running low. Cut off 3 of my toes to eat them. But then again, you have 10 for a reason. It's a struggle, man.
We saw some
had to drink my own piss.
Yeah.
Fuck.
I drank yours, you drank mine, kind of thing.
Yeah, so it wasn't.
Saw some alpacas down there. We thought about taking one for some some protein.
Almost stabbed in the goddamn throat.
There was a guy there though.
Yeah. So I guess it's his like backyard.
Yeah.
Fuck, man. That's how it must be.
Alright, so hopefully we make it.
Yeah, who knows at this point.
It's about 1/2 Dick right now. My calculations.
True. That is true. Shut up, man.
There's a wild animal in there somewhere.
Oh, it did stop, man. Fuck.
What stopped?
That goddamn cockadoodle, man.
I'm actually so out of fucking breath, man.
That was a big ass hill, man. I feel like Lance Armstrong, but without the drugs.
I think we can hear Jason stroking his micro penis.
Definitely, man. It's a very distinctive sound.
Yeah.
Well, fuck, look at this road now we're on. God damn, out in the goddamn forest.
What's give us a survival tip right now.
Survival tip. Well, no matter where you are, in all the movies, there's always fucking coconuts. So if you need some water or sustenance, find the coconuts.
All right, we're gonna go.
Shit, man.
We're gonna go look for a coconut, and then check back in.
Fuck. Boys, we're now 10 minutes after Noah's dad dropped us off down the road. Don't know if we're gonna make it. It's not looking good for the boys. I got fucking diaper rash, man. I don't know. Take that out. Okay, the sun is sweltering down on the boys.
Oh, it's a hot one, man.
Oh man, it's gotta be reaching fucking 40. Holy shit, man! Ooh. Do we munch though? Honestly?
2 weeks later on the news, coronavirus makes it Victoria.
Looking like a snack.
Found some water. You now have sickness, boy.
Tastes like fucking piss, man.
Oh.
Tastes like Corona.
Dude, why don't we just drink this?
You had water this whole time?
Yeah. I kind of just wanted to see you do it.
Well, it tastes like Coronas, man.
Oh. Want some more? Alright, boys. Finally made it.
We made it. Didn't think we would.
We're here, man. Smell our junk from a mile away. Alright, so today we're gonna test fit the Silvia front end. It's all just bare metal right now, but
minus the hood.
yeah. Before we primer everything, I want to see how everything's gonna fit, because I had to hammer and dolly a lot of shit on the fender, so to make sure anything's not warped or anything, so I might need some more Bondo. So right now we're just gonna flapper down this rust a little bit, make it look a little better. Should just be surface rust. And then we'll throw the fenders on, put the bumper on, and yeah, maybe we'll do some more sanding on the bumper. Just scuff it off a little bit. And then we should be primering them soon. Just a little rough mock-up. Because we got to get this thing looking half decent, because if you watched the last video, you know the block, the KA is absolutely fucked. So I'm looking for a new block, but yeah, alright, so let's get going, eh?
Thanks.
No problem, bro. Well, what do you know? Another problem with the 240, and what's new?
You're a piece of shit.
More rust repair on Moist Boy's channel. What's new? Oh, you fuck. Okay, well, I'm just not gonna look at that for a little bit. We'll fix it one day. Just gonna spray like rust convert on it and then just, you know?
Okay.
Moogle, moogle.
Okay. That's installed.
This fucking gap over here, man. That was pretty good. Do you have these bolts?
Yeah, they're all in the bag. What's going on here though? It's so fucking... Like the door's not gonna open, eh?
And you shift it to the left.
Yeah.
Also, yeah, these holes, they need to go left a bit.
Yeah. Okay, well, I'll start bolting them in. What the fuck, man?
What's that map like?
Is the other one like that? Man, Danny, I really thought you were better than this, man. Some bullshit, man. This one feels warped to all shit. Fuck. These don't fit that great right now. That's why we're test fitting them on the raw metal so we can feel kind of like it. Yes, sir. I think it'll turn out. Plus, it'll look a lot better when they're all one color too. Test fit the passenger side now. Yeah, those already line up so much better than that one. These ones, this side lines up so much better, dude. Yeah, this side looks good. What do you think?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah, once the bottom goes in, one push the bottom in.
Mm-hmm. Are you kidding me, man?
That's mint.
What the fuck?
You test the door?
Yeah, it'll open. It's fine. It won't hit anything.
Yeah, shit's nice.
Okay, so passenger side's mint. The driver's side was the rough one. That's where I had to do all that fucking work. There's no doubt I fucking made it a little fucked.
Okay, so the front bumper on?
Yeah, well, I don't know, maybe should I start working on this one?
No, let's get it all together.
Yeah, okay.
Just for the sake of this video.
Yeah, okay. I'm worried about this, because you remember how we fiberglassed that seam shut?
Mm-hmm.
I'm worried it might be like too pulled in or not or something, but I think that can be fixed. What are you doing, man?
What the fuck are you guys doing here again?
We slept here.
What are you doing? What the fuck?
We didn't go home. We spooned Ben last night.
Where's your car?
The spoon Ben last
We never left.
Fuck off.
You got
I guess your leaf blower's not micro. Actually, that is a pretty small unit you got on your back there.
Just like what you're packing there. There's no even nub in there.
Yeah, so what? I have an innie, okay?
What the fuck? There's like this weird stud. It's like not lining up. Yeah, it looks like Mountain Dew, kind of. Yeah, it's stuck. Yeah. Yeah, no doubt. How much is it? Okay, well that's rough filaments, I guess.
Rough bumper filaments. Still needs to be sanded and prepped a lot more.
One second, I'll snap here.
check out. I'll get this one.
Alright, so we got everything on, pretty rough. You can see this fender fits a lot better than the driver's side fender. Where Adam and I did this repair, it fits kind of bunked, I think, with a bash bar, and then drilling out these studs in the bumper, it'll fit pretty good. And you come around to this side, man. You can already see like how high up this is. Actually, it's kind of like that on the side. But fitments on this side's not that good. So if you feel right here, it's kind of high.
Yeah, let the subscribers just feel right there.
Yeah, just feel it.
Yeah, it's pretty high, isn't it?
No doubt. So I guess we'll take this off and try and straighten this out, and then fix the tabs, and then see how it fits again. But even from here, it doesn't look that bad. If it lines up. Yeah, because if you look here too, you can tell it has to go higher, eh?
Mm-hmm.
It's gotta go like ½ inch higher, which is fucked. So I think these literally just need to be bent down. What do you think?
That's what I've been saying.
We'll figure it out. It'll be alright.
Alright, let's check the hood on real quick.
Yeah, okay.
Oh, they said 100 to 150.
Oh, that's not bad then. No issues, do they?
Yeah.
His hood pins are whack. Oh, pop your hood, bro! Expecting something cool because his hood pins. Stockade.
It's a bit crusty.
Uh-oh.
Oh.
Oh no.
It's very crusty back here.
That's not good.
Fuck, bro. Can't open me door.
What?
Fender is so shit.
You can raise these things up.
Sean Pizza on Dem Beats.
So, this is all like rough mock-up. There's still some shit I gotta fix, like the bumper's not even secured. Around this side we already went over it. Need to hammer and dolly again here to get this fitment right. All in all, I think it doesn't look bad. Like from what they were when I first got them, they look a lot better. So, still fixable, looks pretty good. Starting to look more like a car now. And yeah, so we're doing another giveaway in this video. We need a question. Ben.
Yeah.
Question.
Question? Okay. If you had to choose a shoe that's like different than a normal shoe, like one of those Skechers that's got like the boat on the bottom, or Heelys, or like light up shoes, what kind of like aftermarket shoes would be your favorite?
Your favorite shoe?
No.
Oh.
No, his favorite aftermarket shoe.
Favorite like accessorized shoe.
Okay.
Alright, so yeah, we're gonna give away another sticker.
So yeah, remember to comment your Instagram handle, comment your favorite accessorized shoe, and like and subscribe.
And stay tuned for the next video. We're gonna install, went over this last video, these tabs. Gonna do some JB weld to fix everything, and the headlights will go on. So, skidoo, man.
Yeah, stay tuned. Give us a more hearty skidoo than that. Come on.
Skidoo, man!